Hey, hi, Vishal here from CampaignHQ. AWS SES is good for sending emails, but customer needs an easy way to run campaigns with it. That's why we built CampaignHQ. Let's see how it works. So this is the dashboard of CampaignHQ. You can see there are a few steps which you have to perform to start the platform. So first step is to set up your AWS CampaignHQ. Let's go to settings, go to integrations. Now let's add AWS SES. So you need to create a IAM user in AWS, get the access keys which you need to save in CampaignHQ. So these are the steps for that. You can go to IAM, create a new user with CampaignHQ as a name, click next, then set permissions. So you need to attach a policy and provide Amazon SES full access to it. Then click next. Then you need to create access keys. So for that, you can go to create access key, provide an option, select an option, application running outside AWS, and click next. Then copy the access key and secret key and save it here. You also need to select the region of your SES account. Once you save the credentials, you can come back to get started and test the connection. Now let's move on to list. List is where you save all your contacts. Let's go to a contact. These are the list of your contacts, and to import a list, you can come to import section. You can upload a, you can copy paste a CSV as well, and you can also add a single contact manually. We also provide an option to integrate APIs. Once you import the contacts, you can come to contacts and see all your contacts here. We also provide an option to create segments based on contacts fields. So you can create a segment on, let's say, what source of this particular contact is it coming from dashboard, like that, and then submit. And these segments will be available here. Now let's come to templates. So we provide two type of editors, a drag and drop and HTML editor. You can choose any template which we provide, or you can create a template from scratch. So let's pick a template. So this is the editor. You can personalize your email template as well by adding merge tags to it, and these fields will be picked up from your contacts data. You can also send a test mail to your email address. You can change your name and then save template. And then to send a campaign, let's go to campaigns tab, create a new campaign, choose the channel. This is the campaign form. Choose an audience, select the segment, and save. Come to from section. This is where you add from whom this email is coming. Choose the domain. If you have any reply to email address which is different from email address, you can add that as well here. Save it. Go to edit subject. Give a subject to your email. You can also rephrase your subject line with AI. Save it. Now let's add the content to your campaign. You can pick the editor. Let's pick drag and drop. Choose a template from here. Save it. Once your campaign is ready, you can schedule the campaign or send it right away. You can select a time zone and schedule time. You can also pick you want open or click tracking or GA tracking, and then schedule. Once you send a campaign, you will see reports like this in report section. This is how the report section looks like. You can see open rate, click rate, bounce, unsubscribe rate, click performance for all the links in your email template, most engaged users based on open and click, and 24-hour performance. You can also get into the detailed activity for each option, event, and you can export this as well. So this is for the email campaign. Now let's say you want to create a welcome email automation. So whenever a new contact is added to a list, you want to send a welcome email. So you can do that as well. So you can create a trigger when a contact is added and then send an email, and you can create the email like this and make it live. For integrations, we provide integration with Zapier, which you can connect with more than 5,000 apps. And we also provide API integration. Yeah, this is it. Thank you.